And today, we're gonna make chili with some chipotle peppers and bratwurst. And that is me, Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes. Reminding you now to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell, and share our video. Let's get things started. Chop one brown onion to small pieces. And then we'll slice 4 cloves of garlic. We'll hit saute on our Instant Pot. And we'll drop in 1 pound of ground beef. We'll remove the casings from our bratwurst. We'll brown our bratwursts with our ground beef. Use a flat wooden spatula to break your meat down. Give it 5 minutes on saute to brown. And then use that wooden flat spatula to break it down again. And let it brown another 5 minutes. We have a link to that wooden spatula if you want one yourself in this video's description. We have a bunch of fat in there that we're going to have to drain out. I use an Instant Pot slow cooker lid. Hold the meat in and dump the fat out. Right into a piece of aluminum foil I push into my drain. If you want that lid, we have a link to that too. Go and pick up your aluminum foil full of fat and throw it away. We're going to drain our pinto, black, and kidney beans. We don't like the bean juice because it burns. You can save it if you want a thickener. And we'll dump our drained beans and add our garlic and our onions. And we're going to add some Worcestershire sauce, some soy sauce, salt, plenty of chili powder, some paprika, cumin, some granulated garlic, some granulated onion, and some oregano, another shot of oregano, some crushed red peppers, some cayenne pepper, and some fresh cracked black pepper. And we're going to stir all of these ingredients into each other. This is what's going to make up the bottom layer of our chili. And the first ingredient in our top layer is a can of corn with its juice. Spread the corn out evenly. And then add a can of diced tomatoes. Spread those tomatoes out as well. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. And spread it around if you want. And then we'll add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes or tomato sauce. And now it's time for our chipotle peppers. I recommend 4 to 8 chipotle peppers. And we'll put our Instant Pot lid on. We'll seal our pressure release valve. We're going to pressure cook for 20 minutes with a 15-minute natural pressure release. After our 15 minutes, we'll release our pressure. We'll take our lid off. And everything is as it was, so let's stir all of those ingredients together into an absolutely incredible chili. Use our ladle to fill our bowls with chili. If you want this ladle, there's a link in this video's description as well. Top with some fine shredded cheddar cheese and some fresh sliced onion. and it's good to the last bite. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's time to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Get notified when we have another video out there for you to watch. And share this video with your friends and family. If you're interested in this recipe, there's a link in this video's description right below this video, along with some of the tools and appliances I use in my kitchen that make cooking more fun and easier. Well, take care of yourselves out there. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Wow.